Hello, you are welcome to solve this math problem, which is 1 plus x power 4 over 1 plus x bracket power 4 is equal to 1 over 2. To find the values of x from this equation. Now, solution. From our problem, which is 1 plus x power 4 over 1 plus x bracket power of 4 is equal to 1 over 2. In the first step, we'll cross multiply. So it will be this 1 plus x power 4 times 2. 2 times 1, it is 2, plus 2 times x power 4, it is 2x power of 4. Then is equal to 1 times this, it will be 1 plus x bracket power of 4. Then it will be 2 plus 2x power of 4 is equal to, we'll expand this by using binomial theorem, whereas the power it is 4. So when the power it is 1, coefficients it is 1, 1. When the power it is 2, coefficients it is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, then 1. When the power it is 3, coefficients it is 1, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, then 1. When coefficient is 4, it will be 1, this plus this is 4, this plus this is 6, this plus this is 4, 1. So these are the coefficients. So here, first here to be 1, coefficient is 1, so here it is 1. Then plus x will increase the powers. So we start by x, here coefficient is 4, so it will be 4x. Then plus coefficient is 6, so it will be 6. Here it is x, it will be x power of 2. Then plus coefficient is 4. Then here to increase the power, x power of 2, here to be x power of 3. Then plus here coefficient is 1, so here x power of 3, here to be x power of 4. This is binomial theorem. Then here we'll take this x power 4 into this side, so it will be 2x power 4 minus x power 4, it will be x power of 4, plus this with x power 3, 4x power 3 will take to this side, here it will be minus, so here it is minus 4x power 3. Then with power of 2, it will be 6x power of 2 will take to this side to be minus 6x power of 2. Then with 4x will take to this side to be minus 4x. Then with 1, here 1 will take this side to be 2 minus 1, it is 1. So here it will be plus 1 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, from this equation here, we make to have power of 2. So the whole equation will divide by x power of 2. So x power of 4 divided by x power of 2, it is x power of 2. Minus 4x power of 3 divided by x power of 2, it will be minus 4x. X power of 3, x power of 2, 3 minus 2, it is 1, so it will be x. Minus 6x power of 2 divided by x power of 2, it will be minus 6. Minus 4x divided by x power of 2, it will be minus 4. X divided by x power of 2, it will be here over x. Then plus 1 divided by x power of 2, it will be 1 divided by x power of 2, so here it will be plus 1 over x power of 2 is equal to 0 divided by x power of 2, it is 0. Then in the next step, from here, we'll place together this x power of 2 with 1 plus x power of 2. So it will be x power of 2 plus 1 over x power of 2. We place this together. Then minus 4x with this minus 4 over x. Here minus 4 is common, so we'll take out of bracket. So minus 4x divided by minus 4, it will be x. Minus 4 over x divided by minus 4, it will be plus 1 over x bracket. Then here we are left with this here minus 6, so minus 6 is equal to 0. Then in the next step, from here, this here we let as t, so we let t is equal to this here, x plus 1 over x. Then to get this part here, we'll square on both sides, so it will be t square is equal to the square of this, it will be x times x is x square plus 1 over x times 1 over x is 1 over x square, then plus 2 times x times 1 over x. This will cancel this, so here to be plus 2. Then we'll take this 2 to this side, so it will be t square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 over x square. Then from here, x square plus 1 over x square, we will substitute this here, so it will be t square minus 2, then minus this 4 here, 4. Then from here, x plus 1 over x, it is t, so it will be here 4t. Then minus 6 is equal to 0, so here minus 6 is equal to 0. Then it will be t square minus 4 minus 4t minus 2 minus 6, it will be minus 8 is equal to 0. Then from here we'll solve this by using quadratic formula. So from quadratic formula, to find the values of t is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So into here, it will be t is equal to minus b, it will be minus b, it will be minus b is coefficient of t, which is minus 4, so here it will be minus 4, then plus or minus square root of b square, it will be minus 4 square, which is, so here minus 4, so here minus 4 bracket square, then minus 4 times a times c, so times a is 1 times c is negative 8, so times 1 times negative 8, then over 2 times a it is 1, so it will be t is equal to negative 4, it will be positive 4 plus or minus square root of negative 4 square, negative 4 square, it is 16, then negative 4 times negative 8 here to be plus 32, then over 2 times 1 it is 2, so it will be t is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 32, it is 48, then over 2, so it will be t is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 48, 48 it is 16 times 3, then over 2, then it will be t is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 times this square root of 3, then we divide by 2 in this part and in this part, so it will be t is equal to 4 divided by 2, it is 2, plus or minus 4 divided by 2, it is 2 square root of 3. Then in the next step, from here we have two values of t. So the first value t1, we call t1, when it is positive to be 2 plus 2 square root of 3, and t2 is equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 3, so 2 minus 2 square root of 3. Then in the next step, we recall before we let t, it is from here, t is equal to x plus 1 over x. So from t, which is equal to x plus 1 over x, so we'll multiply by t in both sides. So here we'll multiply by x, so to remove this denominator of x, so here we multiply by x, and to this side we multiply by x. So it will be x t is equal to x times x, it is x square, plus 1 over x times x, it is 1. Then this will take to this side to be x squared. This will take to this side to be minus xt plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we'll substitute the value of t1. Here we have two solutions. So we'll substitute the value of t1, which is this 2 plus 2 square root of 3. So it will be x squared minus t, it is 2 plus 2 square root of 3. Then bracket this x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here, to get the values of x, we'll use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So it will be x is equal to minus b, it is minus this bracket 2 plus 2 square root of 3. So minus and minus to be positive, so positive of this 2 plus 2 square root of 3. Then plus or minus square root of b square, it will be this square here, negative 2 plus 2 square root of 3 square. So here negative times negative, it is positive, so it will be this square here inside the bracket. So it will be 2 plus 2 square root of 3 bracket square, then minus 4 times a, it is 1, times c is 1, then over 2 times a, it is 1. Then it will be x is equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 3 plus or minus square root. To expand this here, it will be 2 times 2, it is 4, plus 2 times 2 square root of 3, it will be 4 square root of 3. Then 2 square root of 3 times 2, it will be plus 4 square root of 3. Then plus 2 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 3, 2 times 2, it is 4, times square root of 3 times square root of 3, it is 3. Then minus 4 times 1 times 1, it is 4. Then over 2 times 1, it is 2. So it will be x is equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 3 plus or minus square root of this 4 minus 4 will cancel. So it will be 4 times 3 here, it is 12. So 12, 4 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 to be plus 8 square root of 3. Then over this 2. Then it will be x is equal to 2 plus 2 square root of 3, then plus or minus square root of here 4 is common, so we'll take 4 out of bracket. 12 divided by 4, it is 3, plus 8 square root of 3 divided by 4, it will be 2 square root of 3 bracket, then over 2. So it will be x is equal to, into here 2 is common, so we'll take 2 out of bracket. 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus 2 square root of 3 divided by 2, it is square root of 3 bracket, plus or minus square root of 4, it is 2, then square root of this, so square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3, then we divide by 2 in this part and this part. So these 2 will be divided into here, so here over 2 and here over 2. So this and this will cancel, then it will be x is equal to 1 plus square root of 3 plus or minus this and this will cancel, so it will be square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. So into here we have two values of x, whereas the first value of x is equal to, when it is positive, it will be 1 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. The second value of x is equal to, when it is negative, it will be 1 plus square root of 3, then minus square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. So into here we have two values of x, which are real solutions. Then let's solve from the second solution. into here we have t2, it is this. So from t2 here we will use this equation here, here into this step here, x squared minus xt plus 1 is equal to 0. So from x squared minus xt plus 1 is equal to 0, then we substitute the value of t, which is this. So it will be x squared minus t, we substitute this, so it will be bracket 2 minus 2 square root of 3 bracket x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then from here we'll use quadratic formula. So from quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So it will be x is equal to minus b, minus and minus, it will be positive, so positive of this. So here it will be 2 minus 2 square root of 3 plus or minus square root of b square, it will be 2 minus 2 square root of 3 bracket square, then minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 1, so 1 times 1, then over 2 times a it is 1. Then it will be x is equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 3 plus or minus square root. We expand this here, so it will be 2 times 2, it is 4. 2 times negative 2 square root of 3, it will be minus 4 square root of 3. Minus 2 square root of 3 times 2, it will be minus 4 square root of 3. Then minus 2 square root of 3 times minus 2 square root of 3, it will be plus 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 3 times square root of 3, it is 3. So 3 times 4, it is 12. Then minus 4 times 1 times 1, here it is minus 4. Then over 2 times 1, it is 2. Then it will be x is equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 3, then plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4 will cancel. So here it will be 12, or minus 4 square root of 3 minus 4 square root of 3, it will be minus 8 square root of 3, then plus 12, then over this 2. Then it will be x is equal to, into here 2 is common, so we'll take 2 out of bracket. 2 divided by 2, it is 1, minus 2 square root of 3 divided by 2, it will be minus square root of 3 bracket plus or minus square root. Into here 4 is common, so we'll take 4 out of bracket. So here it will be minus 8 square root of 3 divided by 4, it will be minus 2 square root of 3, then plus 12 divided by 4, here it is 3 bracket, then over 2. So it will be x is equal to 2 bracket 1 minus square root of 3 bracket plus or minus, into here this 3 minus 2 square root of 3, it is negative. So we want this to make this positive, so as we can find the square root of negative. So here it will be square root of, because square root of 3 it is 1.743 times negative 2, it will be negative 3 minus this, it will be negative. So here we'll take, it will be 4, we'll take negative out of here, so it will be times negative 1 out of bracket. So negative 2 square root of 3 divided by negative 1, it will be 2 square root of 3. Then 3 divided by negative 1, it will be negative 3 bracket, then over 2. Then it will be x is equal to 2 bracket 1 minus square root of 3 bracket plus or minus square root of 4, it is 2, square root of negative 1, it is I, then square root of this here, which is 2 square root of 3 minus 3, whereas this it is positive because this here it is greater than 3. 2 times square root of 3 minus 3, it is positive. So here we'll divide by 2 in this part and this part. So here divide by 2 and here divide by 2. So it will be x is equal to this, and this will cancel. So it will be 1 minus square root of 3. This and this will cancel. So it will be plus or minus square root of 2 square root of 3 minus 3. So into here we have, sorry, here I, here it is I. So we have two complex solutions. So here this is x1, x2. So here it will be x3, x4, which are complex solutions. So when it is positive here, it will be 1 minus square root of 3. So 1 minus square root of 3, then plus I square root of this here, 2 square root of 3 minus 3. And here when it is negative, it will be 1 minus square root of 3. Here when it is negative, it will be minus I square root of 2 square root of 3 minus 3. So here these are the two complex solutions. So we have two real solutions, which are this and these complex solutions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps to miss out. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.